Guys, today we are going to teach you how to use the Robo Magic 2-in-1 blender. Remember, it comes with 2 cups, but we've noticed that many people don't actually know how to use the blender very well. So let's get to work. So this blender comes with a manual brochure. You can take your time to go through this brochure. It's going to help you. But now let me talk about the functions of the blender. Now, if you can come and see here, you're going to see it has low speed to high speed and different of the fraction. You see fruits, this is the speed for fruits, milkshake, sand ice, 5 grains, that is grains, mint meat, if you want to do minting of meat, you can use it. Then you have soybean, which is the last. Now, this is how you go. You switch it on and you increase to whatever level. You use this tool only when maybe you don't want to actually grind your whatever is in the blender to dust or for it to be like somehow too soft. So that's how you control using this button, this knob, and this. Now this one is to directly crush. When you use pulse, it goes to the highest speed and crushes whatsoever is in the blender. So always make sure you are using on-in and off-in. So this cup, this small cup, has been made specifically for dry things, only to grind dry things. That is why they made this cup. So if you notice, the cup has the same, like 2 blades, sharp ends. But the difference here is these blades are facing down while the other ones are facing up. So it's suitable for grinding dry things. You close it, and when you're positioning it here, make sure that it sits well. It sits well like this. Always hold the top before you use either of these buttons to grind with the blender. For the dry cup, for the wet cup, the big jar, you see, it's good for fresh things. So this one came in such a way that you will not, they are trying to prevent you from spoiling your blender. So now, let's go here. It should sit well also. We cover the lid. Now, in case if you're doing it like your tomatoes or your smoothies or anything, you use this stick now to stir. How does this stick work? Open this lid like this, put the stick. They made the stick in such a way that you cannot reach the blade, but it will help you to stir. See, you can actually stir whatever is in the blender. So guys, this is how to use the Robo Magic 2-in-1 5,500 watts blender. If you need yours, if you're in Nigeria, if you're in Ghana, if you are in Cameroon, anywhere in Cameroon, let us know and we will link up a supplier to you so that you can get yours. God bless you, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. God bless you. Yeah, turning plantain voice enter my video. I like to say, then you can't think about Please come and check. You don't have the lowest speed. I did something there. It's even the lowest speed.
This is a blender that I want. What? I'm also looking.
I enter watch my video say. I just put my video say. Mm. When you start up, so you don't really mix.